Hi, as marketers for the longest time, we have all optimized for Google, not Bing, not other search engines, but Google. Because the idea was if you are ranking on page one, your work is done. The leads will follow. However, in the recent time, a lot has changed. People are not just Googling things anymore. They are asking AI surfaces like ChatGPT, Perplexity, Claude, Grok, and countless others. Which is the right tool for my need? Who is the right vendor offering XYZ? If you're not appearing there in those searches, gone are the chances of you being on the shortlist. People won't consider you anymore. That's why generative engine optimization has become more important than ever. In this video, I'll show you 4 strategies that anyone, any marketer can implement so that your product or your tool or your brand appears across the surfaces. Strategy number 1. AI surfaces love bottom of funnel content. Think listicles. Say if you are working in endpoint security domain, you're a cyber security company who offers endpoint security software. How do you make sure people choose your tool? What is the strategy you can follow? You could write a listicle listing top 10 endpoint security software, let's say for small businesses, or if your product can work for enterprises, write a listicle around top 10 endpoint security software for enterprises. And you have to make sure that your product appears on top, and you compare all the other popular platforms on the list as well. Mention them, and that would help because numbers indicate that when your product is being talked about with other popular products, the chances of them getting cited across AI services increases. This is in fact a strategy used by many popular companies. Think SentinelOne. You know what did SentinelOne do? They have also written a list. Like, they are a popular platform. They don't need to do this. And then they have written a list. Like top 10 endpoint security solutions for 2026. And when you Google what are the best endpoint security software businesses, they will appear. You can see that here. Again, that is something they did not have done, but they do. And this is what helps them surface across generative engines. Strategy number 2, AI exactly where you fit. AI will pick things from the features, from the content you write, from your landing pages, from your blogs, and from across sources that you publish, even from third-party review sites. So you want to make sure you are sending the right signals that you want AI to know. And with a lot of good content, you could build topical authority, and you could make sure that all the right features that you offer are being talked about and being surfaced. That is point number 2. Point number 3. This is a bit controversial, but you know what? Third-party mentions matter. Reviews matter. G2 reviews. Any listicle that mentions you. In addition to, for example, let's say, again, you're in endpoint protection software, and there's a listicle that is done by SentinelOne, and you are also appearing in that list. There are good chances that you will also appear in the list of endpoint security solution for businesses. That is another way to hack it. And that brings us to strategy number 4. Stay current. You do not write content and forget about it. We have seen that many times that old content, which was refreshed with updated stats or fresh content, or fresh links as well, they got surfaced by generative engines. They got cited by generative engines. So you do not forgo your old content. Make sure you pick it up and refresh it and republish it again. It is always good to stay current. So those are the 4 strategies. One thing that you have to remember, the rule of thumb, AI signals prefer concrete information. So as much as possible, give this concrete information. Feed it to AI services. You cannot go to ChatGPT and hack them and tell them this is my company, this is what we do. You cannot do that. But there's a lot more you can do. If you want to apply this strategy for your brand, get in touch with us by clicking on the CTA button below. And we will get in touch with you to create a catered strategy that is right for your product, platform, tool, or brand.